The new 2025 Scania-powered Peterbilt is a highly anticipated truck that promises to deliver exceptional performance and efficiency. As a collaboration between Peterbilt and Scania, this truck combines the best of both worlds, offering a powerful and reliable powertrain with a rugged and dependable chassis. One of the standout features of this truck is its Scania engine, which delivers an impressive 600 horsepower and 2,000 pounds-ft of torque. This powerful engine is paired with a transmission and a range of advanced technologies, including an advanced fuel management system and a range of driver assistance systems. The truck's chassis is also noteworthy, with a robust and durable design that is built to withstand the rigors of heavy-duty hauling. The vehicle's suspension system is also advanced, providing a smooth and stable ride even when fully loaded. Inside the cabin, the truck offers a range of premium amenities, including a comfortable and ergonomic driver's seat, a range of storage compartments, and an advanced infotainment system. The vehicle's interior is also notable for its durability and practicality, with a range of features designed to enhance the driver's experience. Fuel efficiency is also a key strength of this truck, with the Scania engine delivering exceptional fuel economy. Even when hauling heavy loads, this is thanks in part to the truck's advanced aerodynamics and weight reduction measures, which work together to minimize drag and maximize efficiency. Safety is also a top priority for this truck, with a range of advanced safety features including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. The vehicle's robust build quality and advanced safety features make it an excellent choice for drivers who value safety and reliability. Overall, the new 2025 Scania-powered Peterbilt is an exceptional truck that promises to deliver exceptional performance and efficiency. With its powerful engine, rugged chassis, and range of premium amenities, this truck is sure to appeal to drivers who demand the best. Whether you're hauling heavy loads across the country or simply need a reliable work truck, this Scania-powered Peterbilt is definitely worth considering.